Spring is in the air. Oh wait, that's Danish oil. Spring is in the air, which means it's that time of year when the morel mushrooms will start growing in the woods. It's a time when fungi lovers like myself, I don't love guys, I love fungi, fungus. We find that delicate fungus in the woods that we love to fry and eat. However, I'm not the best at finding them, so I am looking for some tips on how to find better morel mushroom. Everybody knows that you need a lucky charm to find mushrooms in the woods. I didn't know that. Let's go. What's this? A lucky charm? A pickle? That won't work. I definitely think that I need to go into the woods if I'm going to find a lucky charm. Perhaps feeding the chickens will bring me luck. I know. I can carry this for good luck. No, that's gonna be way too heavy. What do you got there, Bella? An antler? This'll work. Good job. Ew. After several foot washings later, I decided to get the antler in the shop and draw out the lines where I would like to put my lucky charm. My lucky charm is actually going to be a carving of a couple morel mushrooms. Morel mushrooms are fairly easy to carve. I've done a few on walking sticks over the years. And antlers aren't too much different, other than they really stink when you carve into them. I'm going to use the bandsaw just to cut the main part of my carving away from the rest of this antler. Now that I've got my antler cut, I'm going to turn on some music and begin my carving. The main idea here is to put a shape to the antlers first, a shape that would resemble a morel mushroom. From there, we're just going to poke a lot of holes in it to make it look like the morel mushroom that everybody is familiar with. And it won't bother it too much to put all those holes in it because it's a fungi, and nothing can bother a fungi. If you're choosing to do something like this at home, carving an antler, I want to stress the importance of wearing a good quality dust mask because this stuff is very fine and it reeks. When making the holes in the mushroom, you also don't want the holes to be just straight in. You want to give them a little wiggle and so that each of them look a little different or unique. It gives the mushroom a more realistic look. What's nice about the size of this is I made it small enough to make sure that there was shroom enough to put it in my pocket. If you enjoyed this simple carving, please like, comment, and subscribe.